By 14,000 years ago, Vancouver was free of ice and Burnaby Mountain was on an island in a giant inland sea, the predecessor of the Strait of Georgia. As the waters gradually retreated, the land upon which I now stand formed from sediments deposited by the Coquitlam River. The first vegetation to appear after the Ice Age, about 15,000 years ago, was typical of high Arctic tundra, but soon was replaced by meadows and forests of logpole pine. Most of the native plants present today had appeared by 5,000 years ago, but western red cedar did not become common until about 1,000 years ago. Many species of animals sought refuge in the forests and streams of Burrard Inlet. As recently as a few hundred years ago, grizzly bears and elk would have commonly foraged for food in the area. Local creeks would have been filled with spawning salmon each fall, and mountain goats lightly cavorted on the rocky cliffs above Indian Arm.